right, let's welcome to Linux Fundamentals Part 3. I believe this is episode number 7 that we're on. We're moving quite along with these episodes. And hopefully, you guys are learning something. I know I have been. So, in this episode, we're going to continue with our Linux Fundamentals series. And so, let's learn all more about Linux. All right. Well, apparently this is the finale, so I don't know if after this we should be Linux experts. Maybe not experts, but at least familiar with the Linux operating system, and we can execute and use simple commands and maybe a little bit more of the advanced commands as well. All right, let's deploy our machine. Let's start the machine. The machine has started. Please wait. So in the background, just for those of you that don't know how cloud works in the virtual servers, virtual machines, essentially there is a server somewhere in the cloud. And what it's doing is setting up a virtual machine that's going to run a Linux operating system on top of that virtual machine. So, yeah, 31 seconds. And we're also going to start our attacker machine. So, we got both going. We got our attacker machine. So this is the machine we're using for this demo. And this IP address that's going to be shown in 9 seconds, that is going to be our target machine. Dun, 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 dun. All right. It's initializing. Come on, you can do it. 40%. So we're almost there. It's just like in episode 6 last time, we're going to log into the target machine using SSH or Secure Shell. And a brief review of Secure Shell is that it takes the commands or whatever you type in your terminal, encrypts it, transmits it to the remote machine, which decrypts it, and then executes that same type, whatever you typed in, on the remote machine. So it's just kind of if you were physically there, but you're not. So, you know, not bad, not bad, not bad at all. All right, almost there, 85%. You can do it. Dun, 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 dun. All right, we're connecting. All right. Blah, 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 blah. So we're going to do SSH 10.10.176.203. Yes. Yes. Oh, we don't want roots. Bugger. Control C. We want SSH try hack me at 10.10.176.203. And that's going to be try hack me as the password. Okay, so we now logged into the system. Yay! Dun, 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 dun. All right. Task 3 is terminal hex editors. So we've only used echo to add stuff to a file. So let's find out about Nano. So it's really easy. You just go Nano. Let's click on that so it's active. Now my file. And boom, now we're in Nano version 4.8 and we're editing my file. So let's type in hello. Try hack me. I can write things into my file because I'm smart. Okay, so now we've edited our new file. Um, so before we exit, we should probably save that. And so that's going to be right out. And so we're going to hit Control O, my file. Wrote 2 lines because these are 2 new lines. And now we're going to hit Control X because we're done. Okay. Other things you can do is you can hit Control G to get help. Control W is where is, so it helps you find things. Control J, justify your lines. You got cut and paste, et cetera, and so on and so forth. So it's pretty cool. And, you know, depending on your system, you can use Nano to write code. For example, if you wanted to write, I wonder if I'm pretty sure it's got to have Python installed, right? So let's use Nano to write some Python code. So just save it with the .py extension, and then we go print. Control O and Control X. And then let's see if we got Python. And boom, it printed hello world. So, you don't need a big, huge IDE if you can know code and are pretty good. You can just use Nano to write it. But there's also a lot of programmers love Vim. Uh, I'm kind of lazy and use PyCharm myself, but I digress. Let's learn about Vim. So let's see. Create a file. Okay. So let's see if it's Vim. And so BI is BI improved. Vim improved. Okay. Okay. So it doesn't. I guess it does a bit more syntax highlighting. It works on all terminals. It's a default application that's installed on all Ubuntu Debian versions of Linux. And so there's a different room that spotlights Vim, but it's out there. So we create a file using Nano. So let's hit Q to enter the Vim or exit. Come on, you said Q, or oh, we forgot the colon Q. So remember that for next time. All right, so we need to edit task 3 located in try hack me's home directory. So use ls nano task 3. Well, I guess we can edit it, but we don't have to edit. Oh, I'm gonna say sorry. I'm so sorry. My bad. Sorry if you're wearing headphones. Yeah. Text, edit. Whoops. Boom. Survey says, yeah, whoop whoop. Okay. So we are gonna Control X. Downloading files. So if we wanted to get a remote file and save it on our computer, we use wget. So let's see if they actually loaded this. No. Shh. So wget HTTPS secure hypertext protocol assets tryhackme.com/additional /Linux fundamentals /part 3 myfile.txt. Let's make this there we go. Let's see. It's trying to connect. I don't know if we'll be able to. But okay. Well, let's break that for now. So, secure copy, or SCP, is a secure means of copying files. So essentially, it uses secure shell to copy a file. So, so use SCP important text Ubuntu at whatever IP address home Ubuntu transferred. So cool. Oh, apparently we can start a web server using Python. Let's try it out. Hey, look at that. So that's just local. So I wonder. It gave us the address right there, so we can go into Firefox. Come on. let's go to 0.0.0.0 8,000, and it's unable to connect. And the reason probably is we haven't set up our server to do anything. So let's, close that out. Anyways, cool. All right, let's stop that. Up dog. Yeah. Oh, I guess we can keep it leaving. All right. Done that. So we need new tab. So here, let's review this. wget http 10.10.176.203 slash dot flag dot txt. Well, it said connection was refused. Wait a second. Oh. Am I on the deployed instance? I'm pretty sure I am. Yes. We're connected here. 1010 HTTP 1010.170. Oh, we forgot the 8,000. Let's try this again. We didn't connect to the right port. See? Oh, we got it. We got it. Okay, so now we should be able to do ls, and we should have. Oh, we need to do the ls dash a to do all. And we should have dot flag dot text. See, it saved it right there. So a couple ways we can do this. We can either do cat dot flag and say boom. Cool tip. If you don't remember the whole long word, you can just hit tab and it'll, if you got enough to be unique, it'll fill in the rest for you. So just hit enter, and boom, we got THM brackets wget web server submit. All right. Once we are finished, we can hit and see. Notice it put a entry into the log that a GET request for .flag.txt under HTTP 1.1 was served with the 200 response code. So we can stop that. All right, complete. And I'm going to kill this one right here because we don't need to. All right. New command. All right. So now we're going to find out about the PS command, which is all about our processes. So PS. So essentially, I got two processes learning on this remote host is Bash and PS. So cool. All right. All right. So we can also use PS, the aux. Oh, get a lot more info. So essentially for the normal PS, it's just the current user's processes. And then the aux will give the auxiliary command essentially like all users' processes. And that's a whole lot. Come on. Being a little slow. Come on, why are you being so slow? I'm gonna try to clear. All right. So if we wanted to kill a particular process, use the kill command and the associated PID, so that the number in the first column. And then there's some of the a different. We can send some signals. So sig term kills the process but allows it to do some cleanup tasks beforehand. Sig kill kills the process, doesn't do any cleanup after the fact. Sig stop is stops or suspends a process. And okay. So if we were to launch a process, the previous ID was 300, the new ID, if that was the last process that was launched, would be 301. Whoop. All right. If we wanted to cleanly kill, it'd be sig term. All right, so PS. Locate the process that is running on the deployed instance. Okay. So let's why so loud? Okay. So we're supposed to find this secret little service. And given the hints from the others. Oh, there it is. THM processes. Submit. All right. Yeah. And so that's root started that. And it has 503 530. What command will we use? To start service my service. Where's the okay? Sig stuff. No. Um, System control. What is it? What is it? What is it? System CTL. Yes. Stop my service. Yay! Oh, then to keep it on boot up. I believe it's enable. Let me see if I'm right. Yes. All right. We were talking about the FG. Foreground FG. Yay. All right. Cool beans. Ooh, automation. Let's do it. Cron jobs. Uh, uh, uh. Life is few. Okay. Really, I don't care what games my friends are playing. Okay. All right. So essentially, a cron tab has a list of commands and when you want to execute it. So minutes, hours, days of month, months of the years, day of the week, and the actual command. So in this example here, we'll have a backup whoever's cinematic user is their documents and back it up in backups. So you can use the asterisk to be like whatever. I'll execute every 12 hours. Boom. Okay. All right. So I think let's get in and we use the cron tabs. So let's clear this. Cron tab. Cron. So, um, Nano. All right. Okay. Cron tab. Dash E. Here we go. We completed that. Uh, reboot. Oh no. Well, it says at reboot. Oh, I wonder if they wanted this. Yay. Okay. So, different things you can automate. If you want to, you can save your log files and start new ones. So, just various things you learn. Essentially, as a network administrator, if you find that you are routinely doing a task every day or multiple times per day, you know, and they can be automated, it's the same commands, that you are putting into the terminal every time. Create a cron job and just automate your life and make it life simple. Because you'll set up in a lot of network administrating programs automatically do this, and they're designed to alert you when something is wrong. Let's move on. Oh, we are getting a little winded on this. That's all right. Thanks for hanging out. If you're still with me, put the time that you're currently at in the comments below. It's just so I see. I want to see who stays with me. I know what the average view time is, but if there's anyone that's watching this, Professor, you know, let me know. Okay. All right. Da-da-da. So you can. The cool thing about Linux is it's open source. It's open developed. That means the community is the one that actually develops and publishes the programs. Not only the default ones included in the OS, but there's also ones you can add. All right. So you use the apt, and depending on your OS, the command will be a little bit different. But in Ubuntu, it's apt. Okay. I read through the material because there's no connection to the internet on these virtual machines, which is good. We don't need them. We don't need people using them to create real world problems. Okay, let's find out about the logs. Oh, look at all these logs. Var log ls. So let's over here. Control X. Oh, well, that's for me for later. All right, so we're going to cd slash var slash log. Is it logs? Just log ls. And boom, look at all those logs. Okay. So do we have UWF? We have no UWF logs. And so you got your Apache 2 logs. So let's go see. Is that pretty sure? Boom, access log, access log.1, error log.1, error log.2, gz, other vhost access log. So just different server logs. It's pretty cool. All right. So let's go to Nano access log. It's, nothing's there. All right. Interesting. Let's do cat says log one. So we got 10.9.232.111. Boom. Yes. Found it. And what file did they access? Catsanddogs.jpg. Cats and dogs.jpg. Submit. Woo woo. All right. Woo woo. So yeah, thanks for hanging in here. This is the end of the Linux fundamentals module. Hopefully, over the last few videos, you got a little bit more familiar if you're a newbie. If you are experienced and can provide some insights to working with Linux, feel free to write your favorite command down in the comments. Again, like always, hit the bell, hit the like if you like this video. If you don't like this video, hit the dislike button. It's not going to hurt my feelings. I'm a Gen Xer, so we just don't care. And that's a polite way where we would say that. And so let me know, you know, what you don't like. If it's videos are way too freaking long, I mean, this one's running at 43 minutes. I'm sorry, but I'm learning too. So this series gonna is not only for you guys, but it's also for me. So anyways, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yay! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.